Hey guys, bring up Bonnie here. I'm gonna be choosing keyboard tower. So nobody chose me. Go in. Okay. Easy. Bro, I swear if I fall when I'm all the way up there, I'm gonna crash out. Like really bad, cause that's pretty hard obby. Okay. I'm not gonna lie, Wrong guy, don't go back. Alright, I'm back, boys. Let's play again. Too easy. This is why I didn't go no truck server. I do have slap hands and slap me off. Or like, I'm going here. It goes invincible, right? Like, was invincible, was invisible. Like, someone doesn't. And they could do this. Fool me like that. So, yeah. Okay, right there. Make it right there. Okay. It's worth it fall down. I'm crashing out. Like, I swear I'm actually crashing out. Like, if I actually fall. You know my bird Bonnie? He's pretty fat. I'm not fat, I promise you. Okay. Okay. Oh, let's go. Let's go. We'll go there. Oh, if you guys want to play this game, I'll just show you the name. Or you guys probably already know this game, or you guys probably saw the name from the start of the video. I might lose a lot of damage, but okay. Oh, actually, I didn't lose that much. I lost barely any damage. Guys, I might go live tomorrow. Might. But not on this account. And my other one. Fast Go for 7. And also, this one, they could also troll you in this one too. Okay. Oh yeah. Please. Okay. Oh, damn. Oh, it's too easy actually. Too easy, boy. No way, are you actually serious? What the heck, bro? Oh my gosh, I was doing so good. I was all the way up there. No way. That's crazy. Oh my god. Bro. What the heck, dude? Alright. Part 2 coming tomorrow. Bye. I love you guys. I hope you have a good night. God bless you. Alright. Good night and bye.